All right, welcome back to Eurotech headquarters here in Florida. And I've got something pretty exciting behind me. We have another Eurotech turnkey. However, we've been able to do something special with this one. And with me, I've got Ken. He's been engineering this one from the start, and he's been able to make some really, really good progress. So, Ken, could you talk a little bit about what you've been able to do with this turnkey? What the part is, what the customer was requesting, and where we are right now in the turnkey.
Well, the turnkey is basically a barrel for a pistol.
Okay.
And the customer had requested at least a 25-minute cycle time.
Okay.
As of right now, I would say it's probably going to fall somewhere around the 10-15 minute range.
Wow. So at the very least, that's going to be 40% decrease in cycle time from what they were wanting.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what I don't want you to give away any of your trade secrets, but what were you able to do to be able to get that? Was it, tool optimization, programming, combination of the two?
Since I really didn't have any guidelines as far as what tooling or anything like that, I mainly got what tools I've used in through past experience.
Hmm.
And I think the biggest thing is that I can pretty much time the upper and lower turret to be finished about the same time. You got two tools in the cut all the time.
That's great. That's the kind of innovation and optimization that we like to see here. Ken, thank you for taking time to chat with us. And we're going to be doing some more filming on this. We're going to give you some more details. So make sure to stay tuned.